In last lesson, we started the cumulative frequency, if you remember. Cumulative frequency, how do we take the cumulative frequency? We add all the previous frequencies, yes? Like let me say if this is the frequency table. Let me say here in this table, I'm having some groups. First group is x greater than equal to 5 and less than 10. And then the next group I have, which is x is greater than equal to 10 and less than 15. And then I have a group x is greater than equal to 15 less than 20. And then I have x greater than equal to 20 less than 15. And if I have x greater than equal to sorry, it should be 25. By mistake I write 25 and then 25 and less than equal to 30. Suppose here I'm having their frequencies. This is the group and here I have their frequency in class, and here is frequency. Suppose it has frequency 7, it has 10, it has 3, it has 9, okay, and it has 11. Now if you are asked to write complete the cumulative frequency, to complete the cumulative frequency, remember the cumulative frequency of the first one will always be the same. Now cumulative frequency of the next, for example, for this one, you need to add this previous one. It's better add this cumulative frequency, 10 plus this, it will be 17. Or you can say 10 plus this one. For this one, all previous frequencies adds. It will be 10 plus 7 and plus this. So, or you can do this, it will become 20. Now in this one, add this, it will be 29. In this one, add this, it will become 40. So that will be the way to complete the cumulative frequency. Now, there will be another thing. Remember median. Median is always 50%. You know, it's the middle value, yes? 50% of total. And another thing that we will do here is called first quartile. First quartile is represented by Q1 and it is always 25% of total. And median is also called second quartile. Keep in mind, we call it Q2, second quartile. We call it second quartile. Another name for the median is second quartile also. And then there is another name called third quartile, which we call Q3. It is 75% of total. And then for the group data, we have interquartile. Like, you know, if it is ungrouped data, we call range, we can find range. But for group data, we have interquartile range. Interquartile range. We say it's IQR, interquartile range. It is always Q3 minus Q1. This is interquartile range. So these things you have to remember before we proceed next, okay? Median, another name for the median is second quartile. First quartile is Q1, 25%. We call 25%, or sometime in the frequency table, the word percentile is also used. Percentile. Percentile means percentage, okay? Like if we say 25 percentile, it means 25%, it is Q1. 75% of the total is Q3, we call it third quartile. And interquartile range is IQR, which is Q3 minus Q1. All right. Now let's have a look here. I will open the sheet. for the question and how we have the cumulative frequency questions. Now, cumulative frequency we can draw as a graph. We can make the graph of that one. In most of the cases, you are given the frequency curve, cumulative frequency curve, but sometimes you have to draw. It will be just like the normal graph. Let's see. It's just opening. It will take 1 minute. Yeah. Yes. The first question. Question is saying Simon record the height h of 200 sunflowers. Total sunflowers are 200. The cumulative frequency diagram. What he did after that, he took the cumulative frequency, and between cumulative frequency and height, he draw a graph, and this is the shape of the graph. Okay. Question is saying find the number of these sunflowers that have a height more than 160. Now on this side is height, you can see this side is height and this side is cumulative frequency. We have to find the number of these sunflowers that have a height more than 160. So what you will do from the height, where is height 160? Here is 160. So from 160 you will draw the line where it touch the curve. It touch the curve here. I will even zoom it a little bit more so you can see more clearly. And then from here, go to the cumulative frequency side where it will go. Where is it going? To 120, yes? It means it will be 120. The number of sunflowers are 120, sorry, no, not 120. We have to go for more than 160. No, all these are more than 160. It means all these are more than 160. So how many are total? Total are 200. Out of 200, 120 are less than, their height will be less than 160. So more than 160 will be total minus which have a height 160 or less. So it is 120. So 80 sunflowers have a height of more than 160 because you will come to the, for example, if you are asked find the numbers, those have a height more than 140. So what you should do, you should draw a line from 140 where it touch the curve, from there draw the line. No, this number under this one will be less than that and other will be more than. So total are 200. Look, from 200, 120 are less. So the remaining will be 80. Please confirm. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number B is Sue record the height of 200 sunflowers in her garden. And this is the cumulative frequency table for Sue. On the grid, draw another cumulative curve. For this table, you have to draw the graph here. And he draw, you have to draw another cumulative curve diagram to show this information. There should be a graph like this one also. It's not given, but it will be just like the graph. What we will do, on the same we can draw, because if they did not give, I will draw on the same one, the cumulative frequency curve for Sue. For less than equal to 100, it is 0. This is less than equal to 0. So I will draw the point here. This is the first point, 0. For less than equal to 110, it is 20. Look, for less than 110, where will be 110? Let me zoom even more. So what is one box? One box is equal, because from 100 to 20, there are 10 boxes. Yes, 10 boxes are making 20. So one box will be equal to 20 over 10. We need 2. Each box is 2. So this is 102, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here will be 110. Yes. So it means for 110 it is 20. So this point will be, you can see for less equal to 110, cumulative frequency is 20. So will be this point. For less than equal to 120 it is 48. Okay. For this is 120, where will be 48? On this side, look, each box, how many boxes are making 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes are making 20. It means one box will be 20 over 5, yani 4. So we need 48. This is 40, 44, 48. So this will be, it mean this one. Mean for 120 it is 48, so we draw that. For 130 it is 100. Okay, where will be 130? For 130 it is 100. Okay, this is 100 and this is 130 will be here, because each box is 2, so this will be 130. This is 130, this is 110, this you can say is 150, this is 170, like that. Okay, so for 130 it is 100, so we draw that point. Then for 140 it is 140. For 140, 140. It is this one. For 150, 172. For 150, 172. Look, this is 160, 64, 68, 72. This will be 172 in front of 150, because this is 172 and here it is in front of 150. Okay. And then we have for 160, 188. For 160, 188. This is 160, 188. This is 184. This one. And then for 190, no, for 170, it is 200. So this is 170, it will be 200. Look, 160, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 170. So that will be. So you can join these points. This will be the curve for him. Just like you draw the graph, it will be curve for the cumulative frequency. That is the cumulative frequency for him. Please confirm, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, then part 3 is saying work out the difference between the median height of Simon and Sue's flower. So we need to find the median for first for the Simon and then for Sue. This is Simon curve and this is Sue curve. Median as I said to you is 50%, yes? Both have total 200. So what will be median? Median will be 50% of 200, yes? For both, because both have the same cumulative frequency. The last cumulative tell us the total. It is 50 over 100 times 200. And if you will cancel, it will be 2. Answer will be 100. So what you will do, what your answer came 100, from the 100, draw the line where it touch the curve, because you are finding for Simon, so where it touch the Simon graph, this one, and come down. That height will be the median height. What is this height? Can you tell me by counting? Look, 150, 52, 54, 56. So median for Simon is median height of Simon, yes, because we are finding median height. Here you took the median of the cumulative, and then from there you will draw the line and you will get the median of Simon's flower height. What it came? 156. And where it touch the curve of Sue's curve, they touch here. Where is that? It's coming to 130. So it means the median height of Sue's curve is 130. So So you will say median of Sue class height. It is 130. Now we have to find the difference, work out the difference. So what will be difference? Difference will be 156 minus 130. That will be 26. So 26 is the difference in their median. Understand?
Yes.
Remember, in exam there will be one must question like this. Curve will be given, you have to find the median. So for median, always from the cumulative frequency, total cumulative frequency, whatever will be given, you will take the 50% of that. Whatever the answer will come from that number, draw the line where it touches the curve, come down. That will give you the median height or median whatever you need. Understand? Let's have a look at this question now. The cumulative frequency shows the information about trunk diameter in meters for 120 trees. Look, it's the last one 120. Total cumulative is 120. And this is the curve. On this side, diameter in meter, and on this side, cumulative. Question is find the interquartile range. In the start, I told you interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, yes? So first you need Q3. Q3 means 75 percentile, yes? Q1 is 25%. So first I will find Q1. Now what will be for Q1? What is total? 120. So what will be Q1? Q1 is always 25% of total. So 25 over 100 multiply 120. Can you calculate it? Yes, please calculate and let me know.
30.
30?
Yes.
Okay, it means from the frequency 30, you will draw the curve. Where is 30? Here is 30. So from 30, draw the curve. Where it touch, draw the line where it touch the curve. And from here, come down. Where it touch to 1. So it means what is Q1? What is Q1? We will say Q1 is equal to 1 meter, yes? Now, what will be Q3? We know Q3 is always 75% of total cumulative frequency, okay? So total cumulative frequency is 120. So 75 over 100 times 120, what it will be? Yes, please. Calculate and let me know, please.
90.
90. It means Q3 is 90. So from 90 for cumulative, so we need the diameter. I will draw the line from 90. Where it touch the curve, I will come down straight. I will come down straight from there where it touch the curve of 90. It's 2.5, yes? So it means what is Q3? Can you tell me what will be Q3 now? It came to 2.5, so it's 2.5. So what will be interquartile range? Formula is Q3 minus Q1. Q1 is 1, Q3 is 2.5. So 2.5 minus 1, it is 1.5. And the next is a 95th percentile. 95th percentile means 95%. So 95% of total cumulative. First take the cumulative. 95 over 100 times 120. What it will be?
114.
114. So whenever you take like this, it will give you cumulative because we are taking total of cumulative. So from cumulative, draw the line and come to this side. Let's see 114. Where is 114? Each box is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each box is 4. So this is 100. No, each box is showing 2, 2 because it's 2. So this is 112, 114. This is 114. So from 114, draw the line where it comes here, and from here come down because we are finding the 95th percentile. What is that one? 3.5. So 95th percentile is 3.1. So we will say finally the 95th percentile. Sorry, it got stuck. Yeah, it's now. Give me a minute, please. One second, just please hold on. Okay. Again, look, question is saying for greater than 3 meters. For greater than 3 meters, look, this is the meter side. This is 3. From there, we draw the line where it touch the curve. From there, I will go to that side. So this is 102. So the numbers coming to this side are less than 3, and going above this one are more than 3. So total are 120. Out of that, 102 are less than 3 are 3. So will be remaining 18. 18 trees are having diameter greater than 3 meters. Understand? Another cumulative frequency curve is there. Always, whenever there is a graph, you look at the graph, very first thing you should know what each box is. Like how many boxes are making one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes are making 1. So one box is 1 over 5. What is 1 over 5? 0. 0.2. Each box is 0.2 for x. For y, how many boxes are making 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each box is 2, 2, it means. Remember that. And this is cumulative frequency curve for the by 18 students to complete a short test. Okay. To complete the short test, it has been taken by the 80 students. So it means total cumulative frequency is 80. Find the median. Median means it is 50% of the total, yes? So first you will take 50% of total, mean 50 over 100 times 80. It's going to be 40. So it means from the 40 from cumulative, we will draw the line. 40 from the cumulative, we will draw the line. Where it touches the curve, you have to come down. And what is that one? What is that? It is 6, and then one box is 0.2, so 6.2. So it means median time is 6.2. Because median we don't take for the cumulative. Median we take the other side. So first we will take the 50% of cumulative, and then from there draw the line where it touch the horizontal side. That will be the median. 30th percentile. 30th percentile means 30%. So take first 30% of the total. In 30 over 100, because percentage, multiply by 80. 0 is 0, 0 is 0, 24. So where is 24? From the cumulative, draw the line and come to the horizontal axis. This is 20, 22, 24. This is 24. So from here I will draw the line. With 24. And from here is 5.8. It means what is 30 percentile? 30 percentile time will be, this is 5.2468, 5.8. So it means 30th percentile is 5.8. Some student only leave till this one. You will get half mark only. You have to draw the line, show the line, and then get that. And then the number of students taking more than 5 minutes. More than 5 minutes. So come to 5 minutes here. And from here, draw the line where it touch the curve. Where it will touch the curve. This one. And from there, draw the straight line. It means these will be less than 5 minutes taking, and all other are more than 5 minutes. So total are 80 out of 80, 10 are taking less than 5. So it will be 80 minus 10. The remaining will be 70. So 70 students take more than 5 minutes. So all these are taking more than 5 minutes time. Even from the curve you can check, will be more than 5 minutes. Please confirm, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy, just you should remember the formula. Another curve for 60 students. For 60 students, we have to find the 80th percentile. What should we do for the 80th percentile? How many are total? 60. So it means it's 80% of 60. So 80 over 100 times 60. 0, the 0 is 0. So 48. That is 48 from the curve 48. Each box look is 1 because 10 boxes are making 10 on this side. So 1. 48 is here, then it means this is 48. From 48, draw the line which touch the curve. Here, draw the line which touch the curve. And from there, come down. Straight down. This one. That will be the 80th percentile. What it is? Each box on this side, check how much it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes making 10. It means each box is 2. So this is 42, 44. So this is 44. It means we will say 80th percentile is 44. Then interquartile range. Interquartile range now we know is Q3 minus Q1. So first I will take Q3. What is Q3? It is 75% of the total, yes, Q3. 75% of total. Total is, total cumulative, remember total cumulative is 60. So 75 over 100 times 60, what it will be? Yes, please.
21.
21.
No, wait, sir. This is 75 or 35. 70. Okay, just give me a minute.
35. Calculate.
45. 40. 45.
Okay. So I will say it's 45. So it's 45. So from 45, draw the line which touch the curve. This is 45. 41, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 45. Come down to 40. Yes. It means Q3 is 40. Yeah. So I would say Q3 is 40. All right. Because always percentile will be on the horizontal axis. From the cumulative, we take 75%, then draw the line and come to horizontal. In the same way, what will be Q1? It is 25% of the total. It will be 25% of 60. Mean 25 over 100 times 60. But it will be yes. Please. 15 if I'm not
15. Yeah, 15.
15. Okay. Then from the 15, draw the line. This is 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 15. From 15, draw the line where it touch the curve. Take the curve here and come down from there. What this number is? This number is going to be 10, 12, 14, 16. So this is 16. It means Q1 is 16. So Q3 will be 40 minus 16. That will be 24. And then the number of people who traveled more than 60 kilometers, it means you have to go to the kilometer side. This is from here, take the line where it touch the curve. Take this line where it touch the curve. Yes, this is the line. From here, it touch the curve. So less than that will be, we will say are less than 60, so the remaining are. So what is this number? 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, it's 55. So 60 minus 55 will be your answer. That will be 60 minus 55. 5. So there are 5 people who traveled more than 60 kilometers. Understand? Coming to this one now. First question is, how many students spend more than 48 minutes completing their homework? So this is the minute side. Where is 48? Here it is 48. Because you can see 10 boxes between 30 to 40. So each box is 1. So this is 48. So from 48, draw the line. Okay. Draw the line from 48. Where you touch the curve, go to the other side. It is. We will say, how much is this one? Check each box first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are making 20. It means each box is 2. So this is going to be 16. So it means there are 16 students who completing, how many students spend more than 40? Oh, no, sorry, more than 48. It means all above that are more, or below that are less. So you will do from total minus 16. Total are 72. Because the question is saying 72 are total. Don't go to this number. You can see even the curve is stopping at 72. So total are 72. Okay. So it will be 72 minus 16. What will be answer? Please let me know.
56.
56. Now median. Median is always 50% of the total. Yes. So first take 50% of 72. Then 50 over 100 times 72. That will be 36. So from the number 36, draw the line which touch the curve. So this is the number 36. Each box is 2, 2, yes. So 38, 30. This is 36. From 36, draw the line that comes to this one. And what is this one? On this side, each number is 1, 1. So we will have this as 61 to 63. Yeah, that is 63. So 63, we will say is the median. So median is Just sometimes student just take the 50% and forget to draw the line and go to the horizontal, because the median will be on the horizontal side. Cumulative frequency will not give you the median. Median will be the other thing. Now interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1. So first, what will be Q3? 75% of total. 75 over 100 times 72. What it will be? And 25% is 25% of 72. That will be Q1. So 25 over 100 times 72. What will be this one? Please calculate and let me know. And what will
This
be?
is 54.
And what about this one?
18.
18. Okay, first to take the Q3, you should draw the line from 54. Where is 54? This is 58, 56, 54. This is 54. So 54, where it touch. And no need to erase any line that you draw. Never erase any line. It's going to be this one, 72. So this is gonna be 72. It means Q3 is 72. Q1. Q1 will be from 18. This is 18. So I will draw the line from 18. Where it touch the curve here at 50. It will come to 50. So it means Q1 is 50. Q1 will be equal to 50. So what will be interquartile range? 72 minus 50. That is 22. Rejoin the link, please. Rejoin it.